Good morning, Steel family. How are you all doing today? Okay, over the past couple of months, I've been getting reports from some members on the Steel group asking how they can go about changing their Facebook ad currency from one currency to the other, either from naira to dollars or dollars to euros or pounds and whatnot. So this video is a short tutorial that's going to show you how you can do that from your laptop. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do first, you log onto your Facebook account. Okay, so this is my Facebook account. So, okay, if you look up here, you will notice I have two pages here open, although one of them is still loading. It's taking a while. Okay, basically what these pages are the individual pages that every button I'm going to click on here will take me to. So I preloaded them and left them open up there, so we don't really have to wait for the pages to load, so we can get on with the video as quick as possible. So, okay, back to the tutorial now. So what you want to do first of all is you come to this top right corner here where you see this little arrow here pointing downwards. So you click on that arrow, you see a drop down menu like this. So what you want to do, scroll down to where you see settings. You see settings here, right? You click on settings. When you click on settings, this page opens up, right? You see general, security, and all of that. So scroll down to where you see payments here, right here. So you click on payments. Let's let that load. Click on payments. Okay. So when payments opens up, you see payment history, account settings, and ads billing. So you click on account settings, right? Click on account settings. Now you might find for those of you that might want to do this use this video on your phone, as in use the steps, the tutorial, as in change your currency on your phone. It might be a different interface. It's going to be a different interface, definitely. It's going to be a different interface, but the procedure is more or less the same, right? So what you want to do is you click on those three little buttons on the top right corner. Those buttons you find on the top right corner, the lines. Sorry, they are lines, not buttons. So click on that and scroll from the options you see. Scroll down to the bottom where you find settings. Click on settings, and then the same procedure. Just follow the same procedure from where we went to settings from there. Okay, so account settings is open now. So scroll down to the bottom where you see currency. You see currency right here. Okay, this account is currently on US dollars, right? So you click on this menu. There's a drop down menu here. You can see a list of currencies: the Saudi dirham, the Argentine peso, the Australian dollar, and all of that. So scroll down, just scroll through the list of options you see until you find the currency you want to change to. Okay, let's say you want to change this currency to Nigerian naira. It's currently on US dollars, and I want to change it to Nigerian naira, right? So this is Nigerian naira right here. So click on Nigerian naira and then click on Save Changes. Now the menu that's going to pop up, this menu here says I can't change currency. You can only change your preferred currency once every 72 hours. Okay, why they are showing me this is because I recently changed my currency. I was using naira before, I changed it to dollars, and then I'm trying to change it again, and it hasn't been 72 hours. 72 hours is 3 days, and it hasn't been 3 days since I changed my currency yet. But what you should see is a message like this. But basically, what that message is telling you that if you change your currency now, you can't change it again for another 3 days. That's what the message is going to show you. So once you see that message, there's going to be an option here that's going to be like OK or Save Changes or something. So you click on that option. So you click on that. I'm just going to click Close here. But what you should see here should be Save Changes or Save or OK, one of those three options. So you click on that and then you click Save Changes right here, right? When you click on that one up there, you come down here and click Save Changes, and you will see automatically your currency will be changed to whatever currency you wanted to change it to. Okay, then that's how you go about changing your Facebook ad currency. You can play this video again if you really get the points, and run through the video again and run through the course again. And if you have any questions further, just don't hesitate to post them on the group, and admin will get to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.